In this video, we're gonna take this image, turn it into that image using Photoshop.
In just 10 minutes.
Okay.
Let's go.
Go to the toolbar and click on File, New Document. In the opened window, you can enter your desired dimensions and click Create to create the new document. Then, we insert the desired image and adjust its dimensions. Choose the desired color for the background, using the Color Picker tool, and select Gradient Editor from the menu below. Transfer the created gradient layer below the shoe image layer. Make a copy of the original layer. Adjust its dimensions and angle. And partially fade it out. Create a new layer and apply brush strokes to it. Then, we use it as a shadow. From the toolbar menu, select Shape and place it between the two main layers. We apply the relevant settings to create the glass effect on it. Make a copy of the underlying main layer, mask the shape area, and apply a blur effect to make it look like a glass back. Add some special effects to the main layer. Now, let's move on to adding text. Be mindful of using different font sizes to make your final image visually appealing. Add the brand logo and then proceed to apply visual effects.
Hold on. Let me see. Did I subscribe yet?
Thank you. Let's continue with the tutorial. Use the brand name as a pattern, and then transfer it to the final layer after designing, so that the space behind the subject is not empty. Now it's time to add special effects and play with the lighting colors of the image to make the final output vibrant and visually appealing. You can download the special effects used in this video by visiting the links mentioned in the description. This is the end of the tutorial, and the result is truly captivating and delightful. Hope you can create exciting images for your products using this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see each other in the next tutorial video. So, until then. Bye! Bye!